Hi, welcome to the Home Improvement Expo. I'm Ian Hunt and this is our stand, Ian Hunt Floorings, and we've got a lot of exciting products here for you today. We've got some fantastic carpets and we have laminate flooring from Germany. We bring this exclusively. It's a fantastic brand, well received in this country. Furthermore, we've got one of the softest carpets available here, and these wonderful luxury vinyl planks. They come in tile form and in plank form, as you can see here, and it's a great alternative to your flooring requirements. Ceramic tiles, of course, which you can see on these tables. These are at great prices. We're doing a sellout on these to make room for new stock, which we expect in the container in the next few weeks. So this is it. Come along and see us at our stand, and we'd love to see you and help you out with your flooring requirements.